Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you are warmly welcome. And guys, thank you so much for joining me today as we head over to Azmera restaurant for lunch. Now, Azmera restaurant is an all Ghanaian restaurant and we went for lunch and they have buffet services available. So that's what we opted for. And as you can tell by the decor, everything is very Ghanaian, from the draping on the ceiling to the seating to the curtains to the wall art. Started with the drink menu and they had an assortment of drinks including local drinks, but we started and kept it simple. I am actually at lunch with my little cousin who's visiting from Canada. We both just got some Fanta and some lemon and ice, and I found it really interesting that they had Pancakes on every table, I guess as a deodorizer and as an accent. That was pretty neat. And then we got started on the buffet section. Guys, they had everything from amuto to millet banku. This is actually my first time seeing it. They had a wide array of soups from Ebunuebunu to nkate to Abenkwan, and I love the setup. It is so traditional, and guys, the staff is amazing. This is not sponsored, guys. They really did an amazing job of taking my little cousin through explaining every single thing that they had, especially because they could tell that he was not familiar with a lot of the really traditional foods. Now, after the soups, of course, they had jollof, plain rice, waakye, different types of fish. They had kelewele, they had, goodness guys, beans. So they had the beans that you would just have as like if you went roadside and you bought gobe, that kind of beans. And then they had beans stew, and then they had tatale, they had bambara beans. Guys, it was amazing. That's all I can say. They call this UN fish because it is a whole bunch of different types of fish put together. I guess you can have it with the abolo as well. Guys, they had grilled tilapia. This is probably one of the best tilapia I have had in my life. And then we kept going. We had to take a look at what they had available. So, mpotorpotor, they had abomu, both garden egg and kontomire, and then they had palava sauce, and then garden egg stew. As I mentioned, bean stew as well. So after looking through what they had available, we decided to get started on our meals, and we started with some jollof, some waakye, some beef stew. We also went ahead and added some kelewele, and it was my cousin's first time trying kelewele and he loved it. We also had some of the grilled tilapia, and he said it was one of the best, or I think he said the best tilapia he has ever had. We didn't have any soup just because we didn't want to get full very quickly, but yeah. And one of the other things that I really liked about the staff is the fact that they are all dressed in very traditional clothing, including the men. They all have African print shirts on, and even the buffet setup is the same way. A lot of African prints, and it is gorgeous. So after we got our food, we were definitely ready to eat after taking a lot of pictures too. But guys, I tried. This is one of the vlogs that I tried to show my face, but just based on where I was sitting by a window. So when I went to flip my phone to film, it was too dark. I made an attempt, but it just didn't work. So guys, we were at Azmera on Friday, and for the lunch buffet, it was 250 Ghana cedis, and the drinks are extra. And before we keep going, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so. And also remember to tell a friend about my amazing channel. And then we went back for our second plate. Ate more jollof because why not, and this time we had chicken stew instead of the beef, and kelewele again. And guys, take a look at the ceiling and the draping, and I love the fans. It really adds to the whole ambiance of the whole place. And we went back for more grilled tilapia because clearly we liked it. And one thing that I really appreciated is the fact that with their pepper sauces, they had mild and spicy depending on your spice tolerance, which is really nice. after I grabbed my kilewili, I got a little bit of bean stew as well, just to have with the kilewili. And if you can see at the back there, they will periodically come and stir the banku and the omuto and stuff, so it is always nice and soft and very fresh. So I love that about it too. But yeah, guys, this is our second plate, and the bean stew paired with the kilewili was delicious. And the chicken was also really nice. It was nice and soft, very juicy. I liked and appreciated the fact that it wasn't dry. Anyway, once we were done, we headed over to their dessert section. They had nkate cake, which is just a peanut brittle, some atadwe milk, which is tiger nut pudding. They had fresh fruit in the fridge, and they also had some Ghana pancakes, some donuts. We opted for the pancakes. I had mine with chocolate syrup. My cousin had his with just golden syrup, and he had some of the atadwe milk as well. And they were very nice. They warmed it up before they brought it to us. And then my cousin ended up getting some ice cream on the side. But I do have to say that the ice cream costs extra. It is not part of the buffet amount, but well worth it. And it was a perfect end to a wonderful afternoon. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and if you've ever been to Azmera, your thoughts about the restaurant. And guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye.